Hey guys, good morning. It's 23rd of May.
Yeah.
And I'm headed to Georgia and we're really close to the airport. So next update whenever I get the time. Okay, bye. Here we go.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me.
We're in Georgia.
We're in TBILISI.
Welcome to TBILISI.
With-
Ding, 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 ding.
And you're gonna be in it.
Oh.
So we're in TBILISI
Yeah.
and we just landed here a couple of hours ago. We checked in, we're in our hotel. We're gonna head out like now.
Now, like, which is 5:30. So both of us had a really late night last night, and after that I came back and I couldn't sleep because I was super excited because this is my first international vacation ever. Oh, I stabbed my eyes. 6 minutes. First pit stop at Georgia, and we're trying their famous pork shawarma. So yeah, let's bite into it.
Small in size. Yeah, this thing is small.
Okay, get it. Moving on to our first bite.
Guys, not faking it. It's really good for you.
It's about 6:55 and the sun is still out. Yeah, it's not dark. And we are at where?
Liberty Square
Yeah.
slash Freedom Square. They both are pretty much in the same area. So,
And it's a beautiful place, a beautiful day.
yeah.
The
Beautiful
weather is amazing.
Too good to be true.
Yeah,
Amazing for people like us dying in the heat in Dubai.
it's true.
It's a good break.
Yes.
So this is called a Black Lion beer. It's one of their locally brewed beers. It's a Pilsner if I'm not wrong. And this is something which I don't know. It was something which we ordered off the menu.
Taste test.
Since we asked for a local beer, and so okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's really good. Not too strong, not too light. Has a bit of like a wheatish taste, but it's good. It's very refreshing.
And a little bit of that.
Yes. So
Okay.
let's open this one.
My God.
You get that? Let's pour Jincy in.
So she's really good at all of like pouring beer, so we're just gonna let her do this. Okay, taste test.
Okay, taste test this as well. This smells like Guinness to me. Yeah, I was right. This is basically younger brother for Guinness beer.
You
So
heard
it's-
it here first.
So it's really light. It's like, yeah, it's like a lighter version of Guinness. Good, I liked it, but I
Prefer this. So this is the light one. No,
This is the wheatish taste one.
Okay, the wheatish taste one. Okay.
Since you don't like beer.
No, but it's actually pretty good. It's
Yeah.
better than the regular Heineken. Okay. Okay. This is the
Black Lion beer.
yeah. This
Yeah?
is my
Yeah.
this is my drink.
Cool. Decided.
This is another specialty that everyone recommends, and these are the Georgian dumplings.
Yeah.
And apparently, this place has one of the best of these.
This is the meat one.
Yeah.
And it's called Kinkali. Kinkali.
You heard it first.
Clearly with this weird pronunciation for sure. Anyway, the beer is doing its magic.
Yes.
We need to
So our next venture is into CHACHA. This is really popular here in Georgia, and it's a shot. It's pure alcohol, is what I've heard.
It looks big. It looks like a patiala bag. I'm not joking.
Yeah, like the Georgians, you gotta do CHACHA. So maybe survive the Jincy to your foreign trip. It's good, guys. When in Georgia, you gotta do CHACHA. Oh, it's still burning though. And now I'm fine. Well, that was fun though. Ordered something. It only took them 20 minutes to get us this. This is a really good thing. I like how. Oh! Did you take this? Did you take No, it is. I think you'll have to have the whole thing. So, this is our first time trying Georgian wine. White, semi-sweet.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Eye contact. Wow.
It's good. I hate wine. Okay? I consider it as expensive box grape juice, but this is good.
Wow, this is
Real good.
This is the name of the place, and I highly recommend it. It's really cool vibe. I'm just going to show you around. So, yeah, the vibe is really good. So it's the end of day one. It's about, I want to say 11:30, and we're back at our hotel. We're in our PJs. But however, first day was super successful. Lots of Georgian food, drinks, and it was super fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed day one. And if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.